Publishing a 3D model to ArcGIS Online is very easy. Go to the Tools in the Analysis tab and search for Create 3D Object Scene Layer Content. Fill in the correct parameters. My coordinate system is Dutch, so choose one of your liking. And hit the Run button. When the process is finished, a scene layer package has been created. Now go to your ArcGIS Online content page and hit the New Item button. Upload the scene layer package and make sure to create a hosted scene layer and hit Next. And next again. The scene layer is now ready and you can simply add it to any 3D scene. And that's it. Thank you for watching.